All right. Welcome everyone to a special video, and today we're going to be celebrating our 50,000 subscriber milestone here on the channel. And I want to say thank you all so much for being a part of this journey, for watching my content, for liking, for commenting, anything that you do. I really do appreciate it. Thank you all so much. So in this video, we're going to be doing the giveaway, and I'll explain further in the video on how to get entered into that giveaway. And we're also going to be doing a TikTok giveaway. And I'd like to grow on that platform a little bit more, even though there is some kind of ban or something going on with TikTok here in the United States, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, I will just continue to create content on there. I've been having a lot of fun creating shorts, reels, and stuff like that. And as you can see, I've been uploading a lot of that here on the channel. And that's not something I want to be as a staple. It was just what I had available at the time because a lot of things did happen in the last few weeks. So we are going to be doing that 50,000 K sub giveaway, but I'd like to kind of talk about some changes here coming on the channel and some things to look for. Hey guys, thank you all so much for watching. I have a quick message from our sponsor. Check it out. Hey everyone, I am now collaborating with Temu. They sent me a bunch of cool stuff, and Temu offers some great pricing and fast shipping. I got all of this stuff in a matter of days. And not only that, but Temu offers site-wide sales with savings up to 70% off, free shipping from Temu, and free 90-day returns. So if you're not happy with the product, you can return it within those 90 days. They also give a credit for late deliveries and offer a price protection policy where if you order something and the price drops within those 30 days, you can request a partial refund. Use my code in the description or pinned comment for a special discount, and also download the Temu app for more perks when you go mobile and receive a $100 coupon bundle for free using my code. I got some great stuff like this amazing Warhammer 40,000 action figure, this Crash Bandicoot figure, some awesome pins for my personal collection, and so many other amazing products that I'll be using on a daily basis. So make sure to check out the link in the description or pinned comment down below. Prices are insane on a lot of this stuff, so make sure to go check out that link below and use my code for that discount. So let's talk about some big changes here coming to the channel. As you can see, I have my room back. Some of you know that I gave up this second bedroom to my two little girls because I wanted to give them that space. But me and my wife, we sat down, we talked about it, we kind of evaluated how they use the room, and they really only used it to get dressed and sleep. And with all the things that I got going on, I really want to push like content creation further. I got school going on now. I'm opening up a new business. We just decided, you know what? We're just going to move the girls back into our main bedroom, which is like twice as big as this bedroom, where I had my setup, but it was very small corner setup. I didn't have everything that you see here. And I will be giving you guys a small mini tour of the new office space, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got going on. You know what? We decided this would be best for me so I can continue to make content because it does bring a fair share of revenue to us, and I'd like to continue to create more shorts, more videos, and just kind of enhance the quality of my content. So in the last week or so, I finally got settled in here. There's a couple of things that I'm missing, like a new rug for my chairs, because when I roll it, it does get pretty loud in here and it is a little bit echoey. So I'm working on adding more stuff into the room so it kind of balances out with the sound. But as far as like my setup goes, I have two different setups. I have my main setup, which is where I do all of my video editing, bills, school stuff, anything that's like business related. I do it all here on this primary setup. Now, As far as my main rig goes, it is a pre-built Alienware, unfortunately, running a 3080, but it works great. And for video editing, it is perfect. So I absolutely love it. And it just works out great for me. Now, as far as the monitor goes, I'm still rocking the Spectre Ultra Wide monitor that I unboxed a few years ago. And I'd like to kind of review it now that I've had it for several years, and just what are the quirks, what I love about it, what I don't like about it. And for the most part, overall, I really love this monitor because it's just so convenient to have just the one screen and have two. It's like having dual monitors, but all in one. And it works out great, and the setup looks really clean and very minimalistic, just having the one monitor. So it works out great. Now for my keyboard, I'm a big keyboard enthusiast. I love unboxing keyboards and trying to find the best budget keyboard out there, because these keyboards can go for hundreds of dollars. Now the one that I have here, it is a $250 keyboard, but I absolutely love it. I don't ever want to change my keyboard because it's so fluid, it's so buttery smooth. I love the fidget spinners on the side. And Keysme did send me a really awesome wrist rest along with the Lunar O2 mechanical key numpad. So it's really, really awesome. I absolutely love it. It has a little screen on it and it works great. Now on this side of the room, you have my handheld collection. For the most part, we have most of my PSPs. I've sold a lot of them, unfortunately, because I needed to make ends meet, but I still have a good portion of my collection here, and I love this setup. Anytime I just want to grab a PSP and start playing, or just tinkering around with something, I have this space here to kind of work on whatever I want to work on, replacing or repairing handhelds, or building Gundams, or anything I'd like to do. This is where this space kind of comes in handy, so I can just work on anything that I feel passionate about at the moment. Now going on to the second setup, this is where I have my 4K Asus Gundam limited edition monitor. I love this monitor. It was $800. It was very expensive, but I love it so much. And I have my PS5 connected to it, so anytime I want to hop on my PS5, play some Last of Us or Uncharted or anything like that, I could just go on there and just have a blast. And my beautiful 80% keyboard with the custom Evangelion Ray keycaps. And I have a little cat keycap that I purchased off of Alibaba, and it's in honor of my cat Skylar. I miss him dearly, but he had to go because he was a little too aggressive towards my children. So I have some other keycaps as well. I have the Pokemon Blue and Green, along with this really cool handheld keycap. And I plan on changing all the keycaps of the F keys on that keyboard to kind of showcase some of the stuff I'm very passionate about. Now, as far as my PC goes, that is the PC I built from scratch, and I'm very proud of it. I love it. It looks great. I think it's perfect, and very proud of that build, and it looks so good, and I never want to sell it or give it up. Now let's talk about my new website and Etsy. I had some issues where some people purchase a few things off of Etsy, but I never shipped it out because I could not find my lanyards or my memory cards. That is my excuse, and I apologize for anyone who went on there expecting to buy them or bought one and never got it. I'd like to ship you guys out the memory card and lanyards, and I will be doing that here very soon. Now the Etsy store has been updated with some services and products that I'll be offering because I get a lot of messages, questions, comments like, hey, can you mod my PS Vita for me? Hey, can you set up my Steam Deck like you got it set up? And I'm like, hey, you can do it on your own. It's pretty simple to find all of this stuff, but they're like, no, I want you to do it because I really like your content and you do a great job, and I want my Steam Deck to look like yours, or I want my PS Vita to look like yours. So those services are now available on Etsy if you're interested in that. I did have it on my website, but unfortunately I'm not able to take payment, and I've already had to decline 3 customers because of that issue. So I will have to be transitioning my website to another, I don't know, some kind of like, I will probably go back to Shopify because GoDaddy right now is just not working out for me. But in the meantime, you guys can go check out my website where you can just look at just different pages like about me and things like that, or what my idea is as far as like website goes, just to kind of keep it clean, minimalistic, and kind of guide people to some guides that they're looking for as far as like PS Vita, PSP, and stuff like that. So yeah. Now let's talk about the 50,000 subscriber giveaway. How are you going to enter into this giveaway, and what is the prize? Now I came up with an awesome prize for this 50K subscriber. So you guys know that I'm a big handheld enthusiast and I love PSPs. So why not give you a PSP from my collection? So I will be giving away this PSP 2000 completely modded with a 128 gigabyte card loaded up with a lot of fun stuff. It will come with a case, charger, 2 lanyards, a memory card, a limited edition custom memory card micro SD adapter, some accessories, and some games that I'll throw in the bundle. And one lucky winner is going to get this PSP bundle. So I'd like for you to comment on this video 2 answers along with I want to enter the giveaway. The first question is, what type of content would you like to see moving forward here on the channel? And 2, I want to know how long you've been following the channel and what you like about the content that I create here on YouTube. So for example, if I'm commenting, I'm one of you guys, I'll be like, hey, I'd like for you to continue to make PS Vita content. I like to binge watch your content. It's great. And I've been following you for a 1.5 years, and I just like the way, I get this a lot. I like the way your voice sounds, or I just like the video quality that you provide, and I'd like to enter the giveaway. That will get you a spot into the giveaway, and we'll be doing a live stream here in June to pull one lucky winner and give some time for everyone to participate in this giveaway. So I'll give it about several weeks, and I'll let you guys know when I'll be doing that live stream and when I'll pull the giveaway winner during that live stream. So that'll be a lot of fun. Now for this giveaway, you can be from wherever around the world. You can be in Sri Lanka, you can be in Mexico, you can be in Alaska, Antarctica, Chile, Africa, it doesn't matter. Wherever you're from, please comment down below, and whoever the winner is, I'm just going to ship it to you with all this stuff. So don't worry about where you're from. I really want you to participate and just be a part of this giveaway, because everyone deserves to be a part of it, and I'll pay out of my pocket to ship it to you. Okay, so don't worry about where you're from. Now for the TikTok giveaway, we're going to be giving away 4 PSP games videos. So we're going to be giving away 2 different PSP games and 2 different UMD videos. And I'll just kind of pick from my collection. You'll see what my selection is for this prize. And all you have to do is just follow me on TikTok and comment on one of the videos that you see there. Just saying, hey, I'm from YouTube, or hey, I really like your content. Robles, I'd like to enter the giveaway. That's it. I just like for you to just comment, go through my content there, see what you like, any type of video, and I'll grab your name, throw it in the raffle, I guess, and we'll do a live video on TikTok. So make sure to follow me on TikTok, and you have to be following the profile and being a part of the live stream. Well, you don't really have to be part of the live stream, but it would be nice if you could show up for that giveaway. And as far as location goes for this TikTok giveaway, you don't have to worry about where you're from. Just please follow me on TikTok and comment on any of those videos. And if you are the winner, wherever you'll be around the world, I will ship these products to you. So thank you so much. So that is it for those 2 giveaways. Make sure to comment down below on this video so you can participate in the PSP 2000 bundle giveaway, which we'll be doing live stream, and we'll be doing the TikTok giveaway. So make sure to follow me on TikTok. I would really appreciate it, guys. Thank you all so much. It's been an exciting journey, even though there was a lot of bumps along the road, but I don't want to stop, and I want to continue to provide some good quality content, and hopefully that school doesn't get too much in the way, that I'll continue to make weekly content, weekly videos for you. So thank you all again. I really do appreciate it. Much love from me to you. Big hugs out there across the world. Thank you all so much for being here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.